everyone, I'm Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud. Today we are going to talk about an exciting upcoming premium residential project on Bangalore's rapidly growing Sarjapur Road corridor. And the name of this project is Arvind Sarjapur Road, located opposite to Wipro office. If you are looking for a spacious luxury home, strong IT connectivity and a long-term investment potential in East Bangalore, then this project is definitely worth checking out. In this video, we will cover the project overview, location and connectivity, amenities and lifestyle, residences and layout, pricing and configuration, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Arvind Sarjapur Road is an upcoming premium residential development, and this project is spread across approximately 5 to 5.5 acres and designed for modern urban living with a spacious layout and lifestyle-focused planning. The project features premium high-rise tower with a 2-basement plus ground plus 18 floors and approximately 440 plus exclusive residences. And now let's talk about the project highlights. So one of the biggest highlight here is the low density planning with 85% plus open and green space, giving residents a much more open and peaceful living experience. The project is being designed with a spacious layout, better ventilation and privacy-focused planning, making it ideal for families looking for premium living in Bangalore's IT corridor. Residents will also get access to 40 plus lifestyle and wellness amenities along with a grand 15,000 plus square feet clubhouse. And talking about the connectivity, so this project is opposite to Wipro office. You get excellent connectivity to Outer Ring Road, easy access to Electronic City. Whitefield is also nearby. Belandur and Marathahalli are also nearby. Major IT parks are in a close proximity. Schools, hospitals and malls are also easily accessible. Sarjapur Road continues to be one of the Bangalore's strongest residential and investment corridor because of rapid infrastructure growth and IT demand. And now coming to the best part, amenities and lifestyle. So this project is planned around a lifestyle focused approach with a multiple recreational, wellness and community spaces. Project offers grand clubhouse, swimming pool, fully equipped gym, indoor game zone, multi-purpose hall, kids play area, and the overall lifestyle planning focuses on comfort, greenery and community living. And now coming to the pricing and configuration. So the 3 BHK regular residences starting with a carpet area of approximately 1,450 to 1,550 square feet and the price starting from 1.96 crore rupees onwards. 3 BHK large with the carpet area starting from approximately 1,650 to 1,800 square feet and the price starting from 2.23 crore rupees onwards. Talking about the 4 BHK residences, so the carpet area starting from 2,200 square feet to 2,400 square feet and the price starting from 2.97 crore rupees onwards. And the project is currently offering limited pre-launch early access for premium buyers and investors, and the EOI amount is 2 lakh rupees only. With its prime Sarjapur Road location, spacious luxury home, strong IT connectivity and a modern lifestyle planning, Arvind Sarjapur Road has the potential to become one of the standout premium launches in East Bangalore. So if you are looking for a luxury end-use home or a high-growth investment opportunities, then this project is definitely worth considering. For brochure, pricing details, floor plans, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.